Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Desi Diaries in Germany. My name is Maham and today we are diving into a very trendy topic which is Ausbildung in Germany. So if you are wondering what exactly Ausbildung is, what are the benefits, how to apply, what are the requirements of this program, this video will answer all your questions. So grab a notebook and let's get started. First, let's understand what exactly an Ausbildung is. So, Ausbildung is a vocational training program in Germany which combines classroom learning with practical work experiences. It is like an apprenticeship but far more structured. Available in almost every field: healthcare, IT, business, hospitality, and many more. And the best part is that Ausbildung programs are recognized across Germany and they often lead to permanent job opportunity. The duration of this program is typically 2 to 3.5 years and you earn a stipend during this training, making it a great option for those who want to earn and learn at the same time. Okay, now let's see who can apply for an Ausbildung. It is open to German citizens, EU or EEA nationals and non-EU nationals as well who have a valid visa. So for non-EU students, you will need a high school certificate or diploma which is equivalent to the German Hauptschulabschluss or Realschulabschluss. German language proficiency is required along the lines of B1 or B2 depending on the program. If you are from Pakistan and India, so 10th or 12th class certificate is required. In healthcare related field, you may require additional medical checks. Now, why should you choose an Ausbildung? Here are the key benefits. You earn while you learn, so you will earn between 700 to 1200 euros per month as a trainee. There are no tuition fees. Most of the programs are free of cost, even for international students. And there is job security as well. Many companies hire their trainees after completing the program. Let's not forget you get practical skills that are highly valued in Germany. There are two main types of Ausbildung. So one is the dual Ausbildung. This is the most common Ausbildung. You split your time between on vocational training and on the job training at the certain company. And the second type is school-based Ausbildung. That is Schulische Ausbildung, which is basically focused on classroom training with internships for practical experience. This is more common for fields like healthcare and designing. Now let's talk about application. So first you will have to find a program. You can check job portals like makeitingermany.com or ausbildung.de, or you can go to stepstone.de. Next you need to prepare your documents, for which you need a CV in German using a Europass format, a motivation letter which is called an Anschreiben, translated and certified copies of your educational certificates, and finally you can apply directly through the company website. Next will come the visa application process. Once you are accepted, you will need an Ausbildung visa. The application process will take approximately 4 to 8 weeks. Apply as early as you can. So friends, that's a wrap on everything you need to know about Ausbildung in Germany. If you have found this video helpful or you have any questions regarding this video, so comment down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.